Welcome, children, to our class of English grammar. Children, you know what is a noun? A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. Now, in this chapter, we will learn more about nouns. Now, let's see what is all in this chapter. Read this poem to know about Juhi and Ruhi's encounter with Miss Lioness. Now, let's read this poem. Juhi and Ruhi, the sweet little twins, went for a picnic to the dark ruins. There they met Miss Lioness in a gown. She said she had just got back in town. Her cunning eyes and hungry smile had the girls running mile after mile. The idea of the outing at the ruins was bad. Just play at home, said Mom and Dad. Now underline as many nouns as you can in the poem and compare your list with your partner's list. So children, you all know what is a noun. Now this is all you have to do, that in this poem you have to find out all the nouns. For example, the nouns are Juhi, Ruhi, and there are many more like this. So you will have to find out all the nouns in this poem. Now let's see what a noun is. A noun, as we know, is the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. Juhi, Ruhi, picnic, ruins, and girls are some nouns used in the poem. Let's see. Let us now recall the types of nouns we have already studied. Read these sentences. Rudolph the reindeer is playing in the snow. The boy named Harish is organizing the event. So, we have two sentences given here. Let's see. Rudolph and Harish are proper nouns. The words reindeer, snow, boy, event are common nouns. Now let's see this flowchart. So, on top we have the part of speech, that is noun. It is divided under two common heads, that is common noun and proper noun. Now let's see what is a common noun. Common nouns are general names for people, places, animals, things of the same kind. And what are proper nouns? Proper nouns are specific names of people, places, animals, or things. Now let's see, there's some more condition for proper nouns. Now you have to remember, a proper noun always begins with a capital letter, no matter where it is placed within a sentence. So a proper noun is always written in a capital letter. The word begins with a capital letter. Now, here's a small table. Complete this table with suitable proper nouns and common nouns. The first one is done for you. Now, let's see how it goes. So, the first one we have is city, and the name of the city is written Imphal. Now, in the next sentence, we have the proper noun Narmada. Children, you know that Narmada is a river. So, what will the common noun for Narmada? It will be the river. Then, our next example is a man. You can write the name of any man or a male person over here. Now, you will do it all by yourself. This is a continent and you will write the name of any one of the 7 continents. Here we have the name Taj Mahal, and what is a Taj Mahal? It is a monument. So you will write here monument or historical building. Got it? Okay, let's move to our next work. Rewrite these sentences by replacing proper nouns with common nouns from the box. Make other necessary changes. So what is here? Here we have some words in this box. Let's see what we have to do. Now we have to find the common noun for all the proper nouns written in the sentences. The first sentence is done for you. So Enid Blyton has written many interesting books. So who writes a book? An author writes a book. So how will we change this? Instead of Enid Blyton, we will use the word author, which is given over here. The author has written many interesting books. Similarly, we will go for the others also. Now the case was solved by Sherlock Holmes. Who was Sherlock Holmes? He was a detective. So here we have the word detective, and we will write that the detective, D-E-T-E-C-T-I-V-E, detective, sorry. So it will be written as the case was solved by the detective. So this is how we are going to do this whole thing. I hope you understood what you have to do. Okay, the rest of this work will be done by you. So do it and have a lot of fun in doing it. So in our next class, we'll continue with the rest of the work. So enjoy learning and be happy.